Have you ever wondered how goods move so seamlessly across the globe, from smartphones made in China to fresh produce delivered across Europe? There's a silent powerhouse making it happen, the freight forwarder. In today's video, we're diving deep into the world of freight forwarding. You'll learn what it is, how it works, and why it's absolutely essential to both global and local trade. Whether you're a logistics student, a small business owner, or just curious about how the world moves, this is for you. Freight forwarding is not just about shipping. It's about navigating regulations, optimizing routes, and minimizing risks. Forwarders are the glue holding international trade together. Let's break down the systems, documents, risks, and opportunities that make freight forwarding one of the most important services in modern commerce. A freight forwarder is like a master logistics conductor, someone who doesn't own the ships, planes, or trucks, but coordinates them all. They manage the entire journey of goods, from the supplier's warehouse to the buyer's door. This includes booking space on vessels, negotiating rates, organizing insurance, creating paperwork, and managing the unpredictable, like customs delays, port congestion, or rerouting. Forwarders offer value by solving problems before they happen. They leverage vast networks, long-standing partnerships, and expertise in compliance to ensure every shipment gets from A to B, even under challenging conditions. Most forwarders also provide bundling together multiple services like cargo insurance, warehousing, customs clearance, and local delivery. Some act as NVOCCs, non-vessel operating common carriers, issuing their own bills of lading and handling full container bookings. Freight forwarders are to shippers, helping them analyze cost versus speed trade-offs, select optimal shipping modes, and manage documentation workflows. The best forwarders don't just move freight. They consult, plan, and optimize entire supply chains. And as globalization accelerates, forwarders must constantly adapt to growing demand, shifting trade routes, and rising customer expectations for visibility, speed, and reliability. Domestic freight forwarders specialize in moving cargo within national borders. They are experts in local transport infrastructure, laws, taxes, and carrier contracts. Whether it's road, rail, or inland waterway, domestic forwarders create cost-effective, efficient shipping plans. Global forwarders go several steps further. They coordinate international shipping documents, manage multiple carrier transitions, track currency exchanges, and ensure compliance with export-import regulations. They also connect the dots between global air cargo networks, seaports, bonded warehouses, and last-mile couriers, orchestrating an international supply chain with precision. One major difference is, domestic forwarders rarely handle customs, but international ones must prepare detailed declarations, manage licenses, and ensure proper HS classification. They're also prepared for last-minute changes in trade policy, embargoes, and tariffs. International forwarders must also manage, operate across multiple time zones, and stay updated on regulations in dozens of countries. That's why global freight forwarding is a discipline of its own, blending logistics, diplomacy, and compliance. It's not uncommon for a global forwarder to work with local forwarders in destination countries, creating a collaborative chain of trust that ensures every step of the journey is professionally managed. Freight forwarding relies on documentation to ensure legal compliance, traceability, and financial protection. Let's go deeper into the three main documents. It outlines the nature of the shipment, the agreed carrier, and the delivery terms. For ocean freight, it can be negotiable and used in trade finance, letters of credit. Air shipments use an air waybill, AWB, which is non-negotiable but still essential for proof of carriage. This forms the basis for customs duty calculations and trade compliance. It includes the names and addresses of seller and buyer, HS codes, currency, country of origin, terms of sale, and signatures. Customs authorities scrutinize every field. It allows quick cargo verification. It includes weight, gross and net, dimensions, marks and numbers, package count, and descriptions of contents per unit. For insurance claims, damaged cargo checks, and loading plans, the packing list is indispensable. Other critical documents include certificates of origin, insurance declarations, licenses for restricted goods, and inspection certificates. Forwarders act as documentation specialists, ensuring every field is correct, consistent, and legally compliant. Digital document exchange is growing, but physical copies are still required in many regions. Forwarders must balance both, and be prepared for audits, inspections, or delays if something is missing. In large international deals, the correct document flow isn't just about customs, it's also essential to getting paid, especially under letter of credit agreements. Every international shipment must cross at least one customs border, often more. Here's where freight forwarders shine. They help clients classify goods under the correct, interpret, and take advantage of preferential trade agreements, like EU FTAs, USMCA, or ASEAN. Customs clearance isn't just paperwork, it's strategy. For example, routing goods through a bonded warehouse might delay taxes until resale, or consolidating multiple shipments into a single customs entry can reduce costs. A forwarder may also assist with sanitary certificates, phytosanitary checks, and CITES permits for restricted goods. Every country has its own rules, and forwarders are there to navigate them all. They also track evolving compliance requirements, new tariffs, sanctions, safety regulations, and changing import rules. When customs rules shift, forwarders shift with them. For businesses expanding to new markets, customs processes can feel overwhelming. Forwarders simplify the entry process, provide expert compliance support, and reduce legal and financial risk. Incoterms determine who pays for freight, insurance, taxes, and at what point the risk transfers between buyer and seller. Common terms include: seller delivers to the ship, buyer pays from that point. Seller pays transport plus insurance to port, but risk passes once on board. Seller takes care of everything, including customs, taxes, and delivery. Freight forwarders provide critical guidance here. A startup shipping under EXW might not realize they are responsible for everything from pickup to delivery. A good forwarder will walk them through the risks and offer services to fill the gaps. Incoterms also impact documentation. For example, under CIF, the seller must provide an insurance certificate, and forwarders ensure those are accurate and timely. Every shipment's legal and financial success can hinge on getting Incoterms right. Mismatched Incoterms can lead to surprise costs, shipment holds, or broken agreements. Forwarders help both parties avoid costly mistakes by ensuring clarity from day one. Even the best logistics plan faces threats: weather delays, geopolitical events, labor strikes, or cyber attacks. Forwarders help clients set realistic ETAs and avoid common pitfalls like demurrage, charges when cargo sits too long. They also build relationships with multiple carriers, so if one option fails, there's a backup. During the COVID-19 crisis, forwarders rerouted goods across continents, moved from ocean to air freight, and found space when no one else could. Some also offer that notify shippers about disruptions in real time, allowing for proactive communication with customers and planning around delays. More advanced forwarders offer SLA reports and predictive analytics to anticipate issues before they affect operations. In this way, risk isn't just reduced, it's actively managed as a competitive advantage. And remember, no shipment is too small to face risk. Even a single pallet can be delayed or lost. Forwarders scale their risk strategies to suit every client. The new wave of digital freight forwarders is reshaping the industry. Online platforms now allow for instant quotes and bookings, real-time container tracking, digital document uploads and e-signatures, emission calculations. AI-driven route optimization platforms like Flexport, Freightos, and Ship-a-Freight are simplifying logistics for SMEs and large shippers alike. Traditional forwarders are responding by digitizing their customer portals, offering online booking, and integrating EDI API connectivity for B2B customers. This evolution is increasing transparency and reducing manual errors, speeding up freight movement around the globe. Digital tools also allow forwarders to streamline document generation and monitor carbon impact. The future of forwarding is digital, but it still depends on human expertise to interpret and act on the data. Digitalization also empowers between forwarders, shippers, customs, and carriers, creating smoother, faster, and smarter supply chains. Sustainability isn't a buzzword, it's a new requirement. Shippers want transparency about their carbon footprint. Forwarders now offer low-carbon routing alternatives, emissions reports per shipment, offsetting options, for example reforestation SAF credits, guidance on eco-packaging, route planning, and modal shift regulations are tightening. In the EU, maritime and road emissions reporting will soon be mandatory. Forwarders who act now will stay ahead. Forwarders are also helping clients join carbon-neutral initiatives and prepare for Scope 3 emissions reporting. Sustainability isn't just about image, it's a measurable performance metric and a new standard in trade. Green forwarding is also about smarter consolidation, filling containers efficiently, avoiding unnecessary transfers, and reducing waste throughout the supply chain. Thanks for watching today's video. I hope you found it helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button and subscribe to Logistics ABC. Turn on notifications so you never miss out on future videos. Check out the recommended videos here for more great content. Thanks for being part of the Logistics ABC community, and see you in the next video.